Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about sets and the two methods to represent a set. When we say sets or set, it is a collection of well-defined objects. For a collection to be set, it is necessary that it should be well-defined. The word well-defined was used by a German mathematician George Cantor in the year 1845 to 1918 AD to define a set. He is also known as the father of the set theory. Here are some notations that will be used to represent a set. N is for the natural numbers, that is from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. Set of integers, okay, we have letter Z. Z positive, that is Z, set of the positive integers. Z minus or Z negative, that is set of negative integers. Q is for the set of rational numbers. R is for the set of real numbers. E that belongs to or read as element of. E that has a slash bar is not element of. The inverse E that is there exists. The inverse E that has a slash bar that is does not exist. And this red here that is read as such that. Example, N is the set of natural numbers. 2 is natural number and negative 2 is not a natural number. How can you write that using the given notations above? That's right. We have 2 is element or that belongs to natural numbers and 2 is not element of natural or does not belong to natural numbers. Okay, that's good. There are two methods to represent a set. First, we have roster method. When we say roster method, it is a set represented by listing all its elements, separating this by commas and enclosing this in a curly brace. Let's have an example. If B be the set of vowels of English alphabet, it can be written in roster method as how? What are the vowels of English alphabet? That's correct. A, E, I, and A, E, I, O, and U. Therefore, our set V contains the set containing elements A, E, I, O, and U. So this is how to represent a set using the first method. We have the roster method. We have here another example. If A be the set of natural numbers less than 7. So how can you write that using the first method? We have the roster method. So what are the numbers less than 7? We have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. So therefore, our A is equal to numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 6. Okay. Take note that to write a set in roster form, elements are not to be repeated. All elements are taken as distinct, meaning dili magbalik-balik, unique dapat siya. Isa ra dapat. Alright, let's have an example for that. If A be the set of letters in the word mathematics, then our set A contains letters, what? That's correct. M-A-T-H-E, I, and C-S. Okay. So, dili na ibalik-balik once the elements or the letters is gimension na sa first pa lang. Just like M-A-T. Okay? Dili na siya balik-balikon. So, we have the set A contains M-A-T-H-E-I and C and S. Alright? We have here the second method, the set builder form. Elements of the set are not listed, but these are represented by some common property. Let's have example. Let V be the set of vowels of English alphabet. Actually, we have the same examples as to the previous method. Then V can be written as in the set builder form as this one. V is equal to the set containing X such that our X is a vowel of English alphabet, and those are A, E, I, O, and U. So that is our X. No, mo na yung mga sulod sa X. What about this one? Let A be the set of natural numbers less than 7. Then A is equal to, how can you write that using set builder form? That's right, no? Element, let's define first that X or the values is element of natural numbers. Then the second restriction, we have less than 7. So we have that A is equal to X such that our X is element of natural numbers. That's right. And our X should be X greater than or equal to 1 but less than or equal to 6 because the restriction says less than 7. So we have this one. So that is how to write or to represent a set using the set builder form. We have here another examples. Write the following set in set builder form. How can you write that using set builder form? That's right. Now, so our A is equal to X such that our X is element of Z. Why is it Z? Because the numbers given is from negative and also two positive integers. And so you have Z. And X is greater than or equal to -3, but less than or equal to +3. Okay, so that is now our answer for letter A. What about letter B? For letter B, our answer is this one. B is equal to X such that our X is equal to 3n. Why is it 3n? Because as you observe, if we're going to multiply a number, no, if you are going to multiply a number, any number by 3, we will find the other elements. And of course, our n is element of natural number, where our small letter n is less than or equal to 4 only. Okay? If n is equal to 1, so 3 times 1, that is 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. And 3 times 4, 12. Okay? Since our n is limited only, or that is only 4 lang tataman. Therefore, our set builder form notation is correct. Let's have another. Write the following set in roster method. How can you write that in roster method? C is equal to X such that X is element of natural numbers. And if X is greater than or equal to 50 but less than 60. What are the values or the elements of C using roster method? That's right. Our A is equal to numbers from 50 to 59 because less than 60 raman daw siya. So walay apil ang 60. What about this one? D is equal to X such that X is element of R and X squared minus 5X plus 6 is equal to 0. By simply what? Using the method factoring, we can find the values of D. We have this one, X squared minus 5X plus 6 is equal to 0. So what are the numbers that if we are going to multiply, we will get 6 as our product? And that is 2 and 3. So we have these factors. X minus 3 times X minus 2 is equal to 0. We will equate X minus 3 and X minus 2 to 0. So we have this one. X minus 3 is equal to 0 and X minus 2 is equal to 0. Transpose. X now is equal to 3 and our X and the other X is equal to positive 2. Therefore, our D is equal to the set containing 2 and 3. So this is now our set using roster form. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you learned something today. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. God bless and be safe.